Let's unbox it. Let's see what we have in here. Just like every product, a quick start guide, standard USB-C to USB-C, but Keychron actually includes the USB-C to USB-A dongle. Thank you, Keychron. Some tools, some extra padding to help with silencing, some foot pads, and a screwdriver in case you want to actually take this thing apart. Another dongle, keycap and switch puller. These are very useful. Extra keycaps in case you want to switch over to a Windows setting. Oh, yeah, 2.4 gigahertz receiver. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. The Q1HE USB-C wired connection, Windows and Mac switch right there, gigahertz connection, cable, and Bluetooth right there. Oh, is this on already? I think it's on already.